Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to close all background apps on Android. Okay, now we'll have to open different apps on our device. Okay, so let's open this one and then this one as well. This two. Okay, now after opening different apps, in order to close all of that, we'll just have to swipe up from the bottom corner of our screen, and from there we'll be able to see the applications. Now, in order to close all of that, we'll just have to slide that to our right or to our left one by one. Okay, if you want to, close specific application, and if you want to um, close all of them at once, you'll just have to tap on this X icon here. Okay, and then all of the application will be removed from your background apps. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.